Welcome back. Markets have gone dry with fish prices soaring high. Prices of chicken too are inflated by almost 12 to 15%. Dry fish stocks have also seen a steep rise in prices. Selected fish like shellfish and mackerels are seen glutting the markets. It's a deep sea fishing ban impact, a report. Monsoon has just set in. The government has imposed a 61-day ban on deep sea fishing during the monsoons. While the fish markets have gone almost dry, the cost of fish thali is rising higher. Big fish like kingfish, tsonak and tamus are rarely seen. Look at the upward trend of fish prices, especially for bangda and dry fish. Price inflation: Tisrio rupees 50, Shinanio rupees 100, Songta rupees 300 per kilo, Mudoshi rupees 250 per kilo, Kube rupees 50, Bangda rupees 300 for 3 pieces, Bangulio rupees 100 4 pieces. Dry fish has also witnessed a steep rise in prices this season. Dry fish rates: Galmo rupees 20, Suki Sungta rupees 100, Suko Bangda rupees 100 5 pieces, Suko Bombil rupees 20 5 pieces.
Sungta 100 rupiah. 100 rupiah. Eh? 200 rupiah kilo. Bye येते तांबडे. इसवण आता ना बघा. बांगडे 204 हा, 203 हा, 105 हा, क्वालिटी बरोबर बांगडे हा.
ही 50 रुपयांची माणसाची बोरी आणि हे 100 रुपयांची.
बांगडे मोठे 204 हा मरे आणि बारीक हाते 100 हा 7 हा.
सुंगटा 25 रुपया, गालमा 20 रुपया माप, बांगडे 50 रुपयांक 100 हा, बोंबील 50 रुपया पॅकेट.
तिसरा 30 रुपयांनी माप झाला, 50 2 घालतात आम्ही.
Due to inflation in prices of fish, chicken has seen a rise in prices by almost 12 to 15% rise. Eggs too have seen an increase in prices. Here is the situation. Chicken price: chicken old 105 per kilo, chicken new 120 per kilo. Eggs old rupees 40 per dozen, eggs new rupees 50 per dozen.
पहिले तांत्यांची रेट कमी असलेली, आता कितें नुस्तें ना म्हणून मातशी तांत्यांची रेट वाडला आनी कित्याक पयलीं आसलेली 40 रुपया डझन आता एकदम 10 रुपया रेट वाडला तांत्यांची आनी चिकनाची परत रेट वाडला. चिकनाची रेट आसलेली 100 105 अशी आसलेली, आता 120 पावला चिकनाची रेट.
With deep sea fishing ban on in the state, fish stocks are now being imported, meaning the ban is not enforced uniformly across the coastal states. A major concern for local law-abiding fishermen, reported Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. State Transport Authority has agreed to hike fares for 6-wheeler auto rickshaws. First kilometer will be 20 rupees and will be accounted from point-to-point destination. Fares for tourist buses have also been enhanced by 15%. Transport Department plans to have a 24/7 helpline and an SMS gateway. This proposal is put forth by the State Transport Authority on trial basis for 6 months.
And the fare for 6-wheeler auto rickshaw for first kilometer is revised from rupees 17 to rupees 20. From rupees 17 to rupees 20, and subsequent kilometer, which was rupees 13, has been revised to rupees 50. On trial basis, for 6 months, STA has agreed for a rate of 20 rupees flat kilometer. Tourist cottage, that is contract carriage buses. They are called as tourist buses. STA has agreed to enhance those rates by 15%. Okay, which is 5% less than stage carriage. Yeah, there are two things that we are working on. One is the 24/7 helpline, and second thing is that SMS gateway, wherein we will be just getting at this one. Any application, any complaint you file with a mobile number, with a cell number on 8, you will get a response.
Standing committee meeting of CCP has cleared the setting up of solid waste management plant worth 3 crores and purchasing of pulverizer machine worth 84 lakh rupees. CCP mayor informed that a miscreant has burnt almost 200 wet garbage bins and they have lodged a police complaint. Furtado claimed to have identified the culprit.
CCP's standing committee had a meeting on Wednesday. CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado briefed media about the important decisions taken by the committee. Committee has approved procurement of solid waste management plant and a pulverizer machine.
एक आम्ही डिसिजन घेतले ते 3 कोटीचे आम्ही सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे पास केला. 85 लॅक्सांचे एक आम्ही पल्वरायझर मशीन घेता. ते मशीन कितें सपोज व्हडलें झाड पडलें न्हू ते झाड आमी ते मशिनान घालता आनी त्याचो पावडर जाता. आतां सद्या कितें आमी झाड कट केलें आमी खंय घातलें ते आमचे दोनापावल सामके भरून येयले.
Mayor said almost 200 wet garbage bins have been burned by a miscreant. CCP laid a trap on many occasions to nab the culprit, but they could not make it. Surendra Furtado claimed that he has identified the culprit but will disclose his identity at the right time to the police.
200 आमची व्हडली गार्बेज बिन्स वेट गार्बेज बीन ब्लॅक पे आसतात ते कोण एकटो मनीस खंय तेणे लासल्या 200 बिनां आमी ते पुलिसीक कंप्लेन केल्या आनी आमी आमचे मनशाचे रातचे दवरले. आमी सपोज एक्स लुगारार दवरला ते मनशाक हो मनीस बाय लुगारार वचून ते दुसरी बिनां लासल्या अशी 200 बिनां लासल्या. पण हांव नगो पुलीस कित्याक एक्शन घेना तो आमकां फूल डावट आसा. कमिशन आमकां सांगला कोण तो करता तो पण म्हाजेन तें आतां एक्सपोज करूंक जायना. ते पुलिसीन कमिशनर ऑफिसान येवन मेळोन कमिशन तांकां सांगतलो कोणाचो डावट आहा तो.
Sushant Pal for Prudent.
Ongoing Tilarik Canal work has affected farms of farmers in Pere and Dhuler areas in Mapsa. Farmers claim that their farms are flooded due to the ongoing work of canal. They find it difficult to carry on farming. They have demanded the government's intervention.
These are the farms at Dhuler and Pede area in Mapsa. They are flooded with rainwater. Farmers claim that ongoing Tilari canal work has affected their farms badly.
Canal केनालाचे काम केल्लेल्याक आमकां शेतांक त्रास जाल्यात आनी शेतां आमची सगळीं पडीन पडल्यात आमी उपाशी पडल्यात. कित्याक आमी हे उकडेशे जेवपी म्हळ्यार आमकां शेतां हे पळय केनाल काम केलां हेंच्यांनी पळय सरकारान ते मातशें एक लेवल करून आमचे जे पळय आतां शेतां खंयची कळनात ती सर्वे करून सारके लिप करून दिवपाक जाय आनी जी उदकाचो फ्लो भरून उरता पळय तो ताका वाट करून दिवपाक जाय.
आतां आमी तरवो घालतले केन्ना आनी जातलो केन्ना पिकतले केन्ना मरतले केन्ना तो प्रश्न आहा. आनी थंय आतां कॅनलवाल्यांनी कितें केलां व्हाळ आसा त्या कॅनलाक तेंच्या सायडीसून थंय तेंच्यांनी कितें केलां शेवळ्यान ती ते एक्सकेवेट करतना ती माती व्हाळान घातली आनी ती ब्लॉक जाल्या थंयसर. हें सगळें उदक थंय ब्लॉक जालें. आमी तेंच्या ऑफिसान फावटी मारल्यो कृष्णा मयेकर हांव बी आमी वचोन गजानन गडेकर बी आमी वचोन थंयसर फावटी मारले आनी ते 4 दिसां पयलीं तेंच्यांनी सांगलें ते ओपन करता म्हणून. ते सायडीक करासवाड्याचें उदक तुंबता ती शेतां ते सायडींची आमी दोगजाण करता ते करपाक मेळना.
Farmers claim that even after a number of complaints, authorities have failed to act upon. They have asked the government to look into the matter.
गव्हर्मेंटान बी मातशी तरी इंट्रस्ट घेवपाक जाय आनी इरिगेशनाचे जे हे आसा पळय इंजिनियर आसा पळय तांकां बसून तेंच्यांनी जे कितें तरी एक मार्ग काडपाक जाय. नाल्यार आमकां शेतां उणू करपाक मेळना तेच्यात लॉस कोण दितलो आमकां. आनी आमी जे शेतकार पळय आमचो CM आसा पळय CM बाब म्हणटा की तुमी आतां शेताक आपूण हें दिता म्हणून तुका बुस्टींग दिता म्हणून वयर सरपाक. ती करपाक लागल्यार तुका हे असल्यो गोश्टी आहा ह्यो अश्यो मेजर गोश्टी आसा पळय तेचेर दुर्लक्ष जातलें कशें.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.